Good morning, everybody. Today, in this period, we discuss about pH scale and concept of pH. What are the importance of pH? How to calculate the pH values of acids and bases. The Danish biochemist S.P.L. Sorensen in 1909 introduced pH scale to express the nature of aqueous solution, that is acid or basic or neutral. The term pH was derived from the French word puissance de hydrogen or pouvoir hydrogen, which means concentration of hydrogen. The nature of solution must be expressed in terms of pH value, which is introduced by S.P.L. Sorensen. Today, in this hour, we discuss about, by the end of this period, you would be able to know what is pH, pH scale, numerical problems based on pH. pH. What is pH? The negative value of the hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. The negative value of the logarithm. To base 10 of the hydrogen ion concentration expressed in mole per liter is called pH of the solution. pH, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. This pH scale from 0 to 14. pH scale values from 0 to 14. pH value is 7. The nature of solution is neutral solution or neutral character. Neutral character. pH value less than 7, in between 0 to 7, the nature of the substance acidic nature. Acidic nature. From above 7 to 14, the nature of the substance basic nature. Basic nature. Acidic nature and basic nature, neutral of the substance depends on pH value. pH value. pH from 0 to 14. pH is 7, neutral substance. pH less than 7, acidic nature. pH greater than 7, basic nature. pH scale. What is a pH? The negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter of a solution is called pH. The negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter of a solution is called pH. pH is equal minus log H plus ion concentration. pH is equal minus log H plus ion concentration, or pH is equal log 1 by H plus ion concentration. pH is equal minus log H plus ion concentration, or log 1 by H plus ion concentration. From this we can write that H plus ion concentration is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. Log H plus is equal minus pH. Therefore, H plus ions concentration is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. Logarithm value to the base of 10. So that 10 to the power of pH. Lower the pH, more acidic is the solution. Lower pH value, that is 0 to 7. That lower value from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 1 of the solution pH is very lower value, more acidic nature of solution. Higher the pH, more basic is the solution. From 7 above to 14. When it is reached 14, the acidic nature is very basic nature is more than in the solution. It is nearer to 0 of pH value, acidic nature is very high. Similarly, the pOH defined as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pOH. pOH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration, or pOH is equal log 1 by OH minus ion concentration. Therefore, OH minus ion concentration is equal 10 to the power of minus pOH log 1 by OH minus ion concentration. Therefore, OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus pOH. The sum of pH and pOH is equal to 14. Therefore, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Therefore, pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. 14 minus pOH. The importance of pH. The importance of pH. pH has no units. It is only number from 0 to 14. pH has no units. It is only number. pH of neutral solution is 7. pH of acidic solution is less than 7. pH of basic solution is more than 7. pH value decreases for acids and increases for bases with increasing the temperature due to increases concentration of H plus and OH minus ions. The concentration increases when increasing temperature. The digestive system in human being require pH of about 1.4. The digestive system, human beings require pH of about 1.4. The blood requires 7.35 to 7.42 per Proper functioning. Brain in human body require pH 7.35 to 7.42. Many industrial and biological process takes place at specific pH value. Change in pH value causes tooth decay, and toothpaste contain basic material of pH about 8. Soil require pH close to 7 for healthy growth of plants and for good yields. Some plants and animals release acidic and basic materials to define their enemies. Some problems on pH value. Find the pH of 0.001 in HCl. Solution: HCl is strong acid, hence it ionizes completely in water, so it produces H plus ions. H plus ion concentration 0.001 N, therefore 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 N concentration. pH is equal to how much? pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration, that is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3, that is equal to log m into n, that value is equal to formula value log m plus log n, log 1 plus log 10 to the power of minus 3, therefore minus, you can multiply minus log 1 minus into minus plus 3 log 10. Log m to the power of n is equal to n log n. Log 1 is equal to 0 value, log 10 is equal to 1. 0 plus 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. 0 plus 3 into 1, pH is 3. What is the pH of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution? H2SO4 strong acid, it ionizes completely water, so it produces diacidic substance. It releases 2 H plus ions in aqueous solution, so these diacidic acids pH value calculation by using formula 0.02 into 2. 2 indicates number of protons releases from the substance is equal to, therefore 0.02 into 2, that is equal to 0.04 n, that is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. pH is equal to how much? Therefore pH is equal minus log H plus ion concentration minus log 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log m to the power of n. Formula we are using log m plus log n, therefore minus of log 4 plus log 10 to the power of minus 2, therefore multiply with minus log 4 plus into minus log 10 to the power of minus 2, therefore minus log 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log 4 plus into minus, therefore minus into minus plus 2 into log 10, log m to the power of n is equal to n log m, therefore 2 into log 10, log 4 value 0.6021, log 10 is equal to 1, therefore 0.6021 plus 2, that is equal to 1.3979. What is the pH of 0.05 m NaOH solution? NaOH strong base, hence it ionizes completely in water, so OH minus ions is equal to 0.05 into 1, 0.05 N, that is equal 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. Therefore, this base directly we cannot finding pH value. First you are measure pOH value, then after pH is equal 14 minus pOH, then you got base pH value. Therefore, pOH is equal minus log OH minus ion concentration minus log 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log m into n log m plus log n log 5 plus 2 into log 10 log 5 is equal 0.6990 log 10 is equal to 1 minus 0.6990 plus 2 that is equal 1.3010. Therefore, pH is equal to 14 minus 1.3010 that is equal to 12.6990. What is the pH of 0.02 m barium hydroxide solution? Therefore, barium hydroxide is strong base, hence it ionization of completely ionization it produces 2 OH minus ions. Therefore, OH minus ion concentration is equal 0.02 into 2 that is equal 0.04 n 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. pOH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration minus log 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log m into log n log 4 plus 2 into log 10 that is equal log 4 is equal 0.6021 log 10 is equal 1. Therefore, pOH is equal minus 0.6021 plus 2 that is equal 1.3979. pH is equal 14 minus 1.3979 that is equal 12.6021. Barium hydroxide pH is equal 12.6021. pH of a solution is 3. Calculate H plus and OH minus ion concentration in this solution. pH is 3. Therefore, H plus ion concentration is equal minus log H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration in this solution is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. Therefore, H plus ions is equal 10 to the power of minus 3 moles per liter. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Therefore, pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. pOH is equal to 11. Therefore, OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 11. OH minus ion is equal to Kw by H plus ion concentration. Ionic product of water value 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 by 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 14 plus 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 10 to the power of 11 minus 11 moles per liter. pH of a solution is 5.48. Calculate the H plus ion concentration in the solution. pH is equal to 5.48 as per pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration or pH is equal to minus log 1 by H plus ion concentration. Therefore, H plus ion concentration is equal to pH is equal to 5.48. 1 by H plus ion concentration is equal to anti-log of 5.48 that is equal 1 by H plus ion is equal 3.02 into 10 to the power of 5. H plus ion concentration is equal to 1 by 3.0 into 10 to the power of 5 that is equal 3.311 into 10 to the power of 6 moles per liter. Summary. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. What is pH scale? The pH scale from 0 to 14 when pH is 7 neutral solution, pH value in between 0 to 7 acidic nature, pH value more than 7 to 14 basic nature. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pOH. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Quiz. Nature of the solution pH is 7. What is the nature of pH is 7? Acidic nature, basic nature, neutral, or none of the above. pH is 7 neutral solution, less than 7 acid, more than 7 base. So pH is 7 neutral solution. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. pH A, pOH B, C, P, Ka, D, P, Kb, that is equal to answer A, pH. Frequently asked questions. Define pH. Find the pH of 0.001 in HCl. What the pH of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution. Thank you.